Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be doing my BoxyCharm. This is actually my Boxyluxe unboxing of November 2024. Let's go and get right into this. So I am super late on this box because the day after I left on vacation, that's when I received it. So I didn't get it in time to review it, and I just got back from a long trip to Oklahoma, so I finally am able to review it for you guys. I have tried on things that I've got. Some of the stuff I'm actually wearing on my face today, so I kind of got a feel of how I like everything. So the first thing that I got, and the total value I wanted to mention of this box, the variation that I received was $338. So it was an amazing box, and I did have one add-on. But the first thing that I got was this Tarte palette right here. It's what I'm wearing on my eyes today. I love this palette. It is very neutral, and I think that it would go with like a lot of different like skin tones. So this is actually a really good gift idea. And let me go ahead and show you what the eyeshadows look like. This is empty because I've already used the eyeshadows. Let me go ahead and show you. So this is what the palette looks like. I have this one like all over my lid. I put that as the first shade, and then I went in the crease with this shade, and then this shade. Yesterday, I used this, like all the same shades, but I added this after I was done with everything right to the center because I was wearing a pink shirt. And then I did add both of these, and it was absolutely stunning. This is just a really beautiful palette, like super nice colors. Let me go ahead and show you. They're like super pigmented. That's like a peachy shimmer, which would look so pretty. This is actually going to be a really good like all season. See how pretty that shade is? That's what I have in like the crease. It's really pretty. This is the one that I wore yesterday. Just like I patted it in the center, and it really made my eyes pop. And then they have like this plum color, which is gorgeous. So that's just the first few shades. Let me go ahead and show you this gold because I know a lot of people are going to want to know what that looks like. Like, it is a true gold shade. This one right here is really pretty. That's this one right here. They're all super pigmented. This is a great like corner shade, or to buff out like the center. Let me go ahead and get this one, which is a shimmer shade right here. You can see they're just all so pretty. And then you have this one. Let me see. I'm getting like, let me swiping my hands off on my pants because I don't have anything to wipe. So this is the shade that I like to wear all over my lid. Right there. It's just like very nude, which is what I love about it. You have this shade right here, which this is going to be like a great, like just a bronzy eye, you can see. And then the last shade is this right here, which I like to use just like in the very corner of my eye and kind of make a V with it. So those shades are all absolutely stunning. Definitely highly recommend this palette. Neutral, so it'll go with like pretty much any skin tone. So that was awesome. This was an add-on, and I'm so glad that I got it. It is the Kat Von D Full Coverage Serum Foundation, and it is the Good Apple one. It has a pump. It's what I'm wearing on my face today. I have super oily skin, and I don't find it to move around or anything, which is really hard for me to find when it comes to foundation. I did get it in shade 033 medium, and it is a perfect color match for me. I love this. I was actually hoping that they would get it in again because the regular price for this was $45, which is what I spent on my Estee Lauder, but they had it in the like the add-ons for, I think it was like 20 bucks. Not bad at all. So I give this a 10 out of 10. I would definitely repurchase this foundation. I love it. Like I said, it's what I'm wearing on my skin today. I do have some oils like coming through right there, but it's not bad at all. Next thing that I received is, what did I put on? This right So this Dominic Cream Bronzer, I'm wearing it on my face today to bronze my face. It is a cream bronzer. I can't even talk. This is what it looks like. It does come with the mirror as well. Super creamy. You can see this is a beautiful bronzer. I'm so happy that I got this. Like, this whole box was probably one of the best boxes that I've ever gotten. It literally has everything to complete a whole entire look. The only thing it didn't come with was a blush, but sometimes I don't even wear blushes, so it's okay. This is beautiful, beautiful bronzer. I would definitely repurchase this because I love it. And then I did get this right here by Angel Face. It is a setting powder. On this one, I got medium tan, just to let you know. I don't think I said the shade to that, but it looks beautiful on the skin. And then I got this Angel Face setting powder. I don't think it says the shade on this. Let me see over here. So it is in the shade Dream. I feel like a hair. And I did use this to set my face today. It is a really beautiful, like, powder. Just to really mattify everything. I used this yesterday and today. I love it. You can see the oils still do come back up, but you can just get a brush and retouch it up, and it's amazing. I also have this Laura Mercier. It's a Caviar eyeliner pencil in the shade Cocoa. I wore this yesterday. It lasted all day. It is such a beautiful color. Let's see. So it is a brown eyeliner, you can see. And you can like smudge it out to give it like a smoky look. That's what I did yesterday. I put it on the top of my eyelids. I still have a little bit left over. This is something else that I would repurchase because I really do like it a lot. I love Laura Geller makeup as well. She has a lot of amazing products. So that's everything that I wore. No, I did wear this yesterday too. And this is a perfume by Rosie Jane. This stuff, I like the smell. My husband's really picky. I put this on yesterday, and when I woke up this morning, I still smelled like it. It doesn't really have like a rosy smell. I don't know what the scent is supposed to be. So it is a nude musk sweet rose smell. It says it feels like sleeping in your birthday suit, naked and subtle. So it is like a very like light. I don't know. It's really hard to describe the smell. It's very like, it's strong. It says it's like light, but it has a light smell, but it is long lasting. And I like the smell. Like I said, my husband is very picky. Like I got the Coco Chanel Lady Mademoiselle. He does not like that. He thinks it smells like an old lady. So I have like almost a full bottle. But he didn't say this one was bad. It's just like not the scent for me, he says. So he did give me another one that he does like, but this is really nice. This is good for like days that I just hanging around the house and just want to smell good. So I do like this. And then I got this product right here. It is by Bobbi Brown, and it's a Smoky Eye Mascara. It's just a regular mascara. I'm not opening this right now because I have a few different other ones that I'm actually using, but I'm really excited to try this out when I need to. The brush on it looks really, really good. Let me go and show you what it looks like. I hate trying to open these. So this is what the packaging looks like. It looks like a really nice wand. Like you can see right there. Those are usually my favorite mascara wands. So I'm sure this is going to be absolutely amazing, and I cannot wait to try this out. And then I got this right here, and it is by this brand right here, which is Chorus, I think. It is the Volcanic Skin Rest Mask. So it's like a face mask with pore detox and clarifying. So it's like a clay mask. I'm probably not going to open this up right now because I have a few different ones that I'm using. This is what the packaging looks like. It's probably sealed. yeah, it's sealed. So I'm not going to open this up just yet because I do have other ones that I'm using that I need to get through before I start opening up more products. But I am excited to try this out as well. I love good skincare. The next thing that I got is this right here. It is a Rapid Repair Daily Amino Gel Cleanser by Dermalec. Super nice. I'm not going to open this one yet either because I am using other ones. But yeah, that's everything that was inside my Boxyluxe this month. I definitely love it. I give it a 10 out of 10. Really great box. And today I actually picked out my stuff for next month. So hopefully I'll have that one coming for you soon. Sorry this one was so late, but I did get it out. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.